Marine or boat batteries typically cost a lot, weigh a ton, and don't withstand the test of time in their wet, cold, and tough environments. Also, marine batteries are crafted to only start an engine or to provide deep cycle properties to the user during operation. Banshee's here to change that with their elite line of lithium marine batteries, ready to deploy and provide superior performance along with exceptional value. Unlike other batteries, Banshee Lithium can provide users the best of both worlds. Not only are they designed to supply extremely high CCAs or cold cranking amps to start your application, making them an excellent starting battery, but they will also supply users with an extremely low self-discharge rate, in return making them an even better deep cycle battery. Banshee Lithium can last up to 3 times longer than other batteries due to its extremely low self-discharge rate and extended life cycle. They also have a 5-year full replacement warranty and excellent customer care team. Banshee gives customers everywhere a safer, longer, and greener marine battery with an IP65 water resistance rating and environmentally friendly characteristics. The high-power BMS or battery management system built into the battery makes sure that it never becomes overcharged, short circuits, and protects users from operating under unsafe conditions. Banshee's BMS also provides users the ability to run them in a series or parallel with multiple batteries connected. These batteries are not only durable and made to last, but extremely lightweight and easy to move in any spot or configuration with their convenient carrying handle built into the top of the case. The Banshee line has a multitude of different group sizes to ensure a good fit in any marine application. They are also completely sealed so they can be mounted in any orientation and yield patent-pending dual marine post to connect to. Banshee Lithium Marine also incorporates a reserve cell housed in the battery box to give users an emergency start function in case of extreme discharge during operation. So, for example, if you are using a Banshee Lithium Marine battery and deplete it past its ability to start your application, you can activate the emergency start feature to release the stored energy from the reserve cell to get you back in action. Banshee Lithium is giving users everywhere a higher level of performance, safety, and value than competing brands.